Hey everyone, we asked a group of 1,000 people what they use a screen recorder for and their answers amazed us. Here are the top 63 ways on how you can make the best use of a screen recorder. Let's jump into the video right away.
Employee onboarding, creating policy training videos, compliance training, behavioral training videos, customer service training, sales process training, video presentations, technical training videos, security training, upskilling and reskilling,
e-learning course making, software training videos, sales training, video emails, daily work allocation, async video message, daily work update videos, task briefing, feedback videos, CRO review and reporting,
testimonial videos, organizational announcement, product launch videos, record online meetings, promotional videos, email video prospecting, reaction video for YouTube, product review videos, gameplay recordings, birthday wishes,
user-generated videos, seasonal greetings, finance training, feature release videos, stock market analysis and reporting, record customer issues, movie review videos, bug reporting, code review and feedback, code documentation,
product demo videos, project documentation videos, project training repository, corporate training, sales pitch videos, soft skill training, corporate communication, communication training, book review videos, audiobooks, courseware creation, MOOC creation, learning and development.
Create video resume, record religious sermons, engineering design explanations, architectural explainer video, record online classes, record educational videos, wireframe briefing, create instructional videos, record Discord call, record YouTube videos.